Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very sick and may die in DSS if nothing is done. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Do not hesitate to follow this channel for more updates. We bring you information of wetin dey happen for your side all over the world, for Southeast, for Nigeria as well. So I want us to look into a tweet tweeted by Simon Ekpa today concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as he claimed that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very sick and he needs urgent attention. So we are going to go ahead and read that everything. There is a two tweets that we are going to read that here and leave it for Biafra people to look into it, and those in charge of this particular side where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is to come out and clarify to Biafras if what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the stage it is now, and what Simon Ekpa is saying, Biafras need an answer to this tweet by Simon Ekpa today. So we are going to read it out and for you to hear what Simon Ekpa tweeted, and we're going to display it here as well for you to go and read by yourself. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very sick and may die in DSS if nothing is done or released soon. I wish to inform Biafra that Onyendu is very sick right now. He is in a worst stage ever. If MNK being Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dies in DSS, let them know that none of them involved in this crime will be free. Simon Ekpa tweeted. So guys, and Simon Ekpa also went ahead and tweeted shortly after this particular tweet that the medical doctor of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don run comot for Nigeria, say the man don japa. So we are going to read it as well the way Simon Ekpa said it, and we'll leave Biafra to emphasize on this particular issue, so that one thing you will do right now is to share this video to anybody in charge. Share it to Ifeanyi Ejiofor, share it to barrister lawyer Jimako, share it to anybody, autopilot to US, share it so that they will get this information and let them come and tell us what is wrong with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So stay tuned where we will bring you the last tweet that Simon Ekpa made concerning this particular issue on ground right now. Breaking: Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's doctor flee from Nigeria. You may say the man don fly comot for Nigeria. That the health situation. I call on Biafras to stand very strong and pray for our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu while we notify our effort in the coming weeks. In these coming days, Ejiofor and his DSS will block access to Nnamdi Kanu. They have blocked the criminal Ejimako at Alloy Ejimako, which is the legal counsel of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, after they fed fake letter that next is to block every other person from visiting until he's died. Should this happen, we will never forgive his siblings who are part of the plan. So guys, you people have heard everything that Simon Ekpa said, that the Nnamdi Kanu doctor have fled from Nigeria, say the man don run comot for Nigeria, and because of the health situation saying dey critical, and say the leader say they go do everything to get to Nnamdi Kanu, and say Ejiofor and DSS say na dem dey block any access to Nnamdi Kanu, and he also go ahead and say they don block Aloy Ejimako after him post a fake letter. Remember say him post a letter last time telling us that Nnamdi Kanu say that sit at home should stop. He say that one na fake letter, na Simon Ekpa dey talk this as well. So he also go ahead and say that they are going to block access to everyone wey be say wan go visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that people will not have access to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So Biafra all over the world, this particular video is for Biafra all over the world. BU Autopilot, BU DUS, BU Mazop, and BBZM. Any part of Biafra where you belong, this message is for you. Nnamdi Kanu have played a very vital role in this struggle, and he should be somebody that anyone should not neglect, because if anything happens to Nnamdi Kanu, Ali Igbo especially will never remain the same until the end of this world. But this word that I tell you, do not doubt it. So for that reason, everybody have to protect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and make sure that nothing happens to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So I urge DUS and the barristers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu who have access to him to come on air and clarify what Simon Ekpa is saying, and Biafra want to hear from them and let them give us a full assurance that nothing will happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So guys, we'll end this for here today in this particular video, and wait for more updates about what is going on with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So thank you for watching.